Today, February 2nd, I'm going to show you how to unlock the iPhone 8 with the RSIM 12. As you can see, I go to General, About. You can see I'm running version 11.2.5 with T-Mobile. First, we got to remove the SIM card. Use the SIM card tool. Stick it in the hole and the SIM card will come out. When you're putting on the RSIM, you want to make it as flat as possible. This is really important when you insert the SIM card, so that way it's flat and goes in smooth. After you put in the SIM card, it's going to show the activation screen. If you have a RSIM that's not updated, we would have to update it ourselves. As you can see, this one's not updated, so I'll show you an easy way how to do that. Go to emergency mode. That's by hitting the home button. And we gotta call this number. It's gonna be *5005* *7672* *0# and then hit send. After that, we're gonna go all the way to the bottom to edit ICCID. And as of February 2nd, this code works: 89014103 2786 8394 9559. So after you put in that code, hit the accept and restart the phone. After you restart the phone, you have to go through the activation process one more time. Go onto your Wi-Fi, or you can plug it into iTunes. Takes a few minutes to activate usually, and once this screen finishes, your phone should be good to go. As you can see, it's showing that I'm on AT&T now. Go to About, General, show you. Let's make a phone call. And there you go. Successfully unlocked T-Mobile phone for AT&T. Or it works vice versa, or whatever company.